So come spend the afternoon with me because I'm so bored and I never updated my account, so I need to do my makeup because this one was very late, so I'm gonna do it now. Hi guys, I am ready to start. I actually get needs to survive. She is asleep with her eyes is open. She that is bold. Yeah. So I wanted to just upload just like my birthday's week to watch myself having a squishy hole. I don't know where I'm gonna find it, but I'm just gonna look. That's what the simplest he gave. I'm gonna also do my nails because like I am so lost. I just got a new bottle of this. It's like toothpaste, but I don't want it. It fell out. So I'm like, Mom and Daddy can it's like maybe just for a minute. Like really is to go buy a new product. And like we're about to eat supper. And like I'm so sorry, but we need to go. This is Beyonce, by the way. Yeah, she's also why would you do it? I wanted to eat it for nothing. I'm just going to go to my cousin. Yeah. I put a blush of dot. I just have another dot. Oh no, I don't want to do blush. I'm so sorry, but yeah. I love the black ones. So it's like that. Where's my mascara? This is like one of my oldest mascara. I don't want to go to white, like, look how big it is. I want to go to because this is the best one. And wait at the stock, so by the way. Just make my shit. And then I just use this slippers. I don't really like the slippers. It's a bit, but if you don't put it on the right, it's not that badly. Okay guys, bye. Love you. I love you so much.